Good morning, children. Myself Anil sir, and we are here at the e-learning platform of St. Michael's Academy, Chhauni Betia. So this is class 8. Class 8, English Literature, lesson 4. We have omitted lesson number 3, and after doing lesson 2, we have jumped over to unit 4 or lesson number 4 or chapter 4, what we call. The name of the lesson is Patol Babu Film Star. Patol Babu Film Star, written by Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray himself, he was a renowned filmmaker, playwright, director, and so many things. So many credits goes to him. So we start with the text. Patol, are you in? Nishikantu Babu, Patol Babu's neighbor, called from outside the door. So the story, it is a story certainly. The story starts with Nishikant Babu, who is the neighbor, calling Patol Babu. Oh yes, said Patol Babu, just a minute. So Patol Babu is certainly in the house, and he is responding, yes, I am here, and just a minute. Patol Babu came out with a shopping bag. What brings you here so early in the morning? I am leaving for the market right now. So Patel Babu has come out of his house. He has a shopping bag with him, and he is saying that why you are here so early in the morning, and at this time I am set to go for market. I am leaving for the market. Listen, what time will you be back? The neighbor is asking. In an hour or so. Why? Patol Babu is replying that I will be back in an hour. Why are you asking me like that? I hope you will stay in after that. I met my youngest brother-in-law yesterday. He is in the film business. He said he was looking for an actor for a scene in a film they are now shooting. The way he described the character, 50s, short, bald-headed, it reminded me of you. So I gave him your address and asked him to get in touch with you directly. I hope you won't turn him away. They will pay you, of course. So the neighbor, who is Nishikanta Babu, the neighbor is the Nishikanta Babu. He had come to meet Patol Babu. So Nishikanta Babu is telling the purpose of his coming, saying that his brother-in-law is in the film business, and shooting of a film is going on, and the filmmakers, they are in the search of a person who is short, height-wise 50s. It means he is over 50. Age-wise, bald-headed. It means not so much hair. It reminded me of you. So Nishikanta Babu is saying that the filmmakers are looking for a person which you are suited in. So he is also saying that I have given him the address and requesting him to catch the job, to catch the work. It will be paying also. Patol Babu hadn't expected such news early in the morning. That an offer to act in a film could come to him was beyond his wildest dreams. So we will see further that Patol Babu, once he was very interested in acting, and he had a dream. So long as he was in acting profession, he had a dream to work in a film. But later he went out of that acting profession, and his dream of working in the film also got shattered. So at this stage, when someone is offering him a job in a film or a role in a film, it is looking just beyond his imagination, beyond his dreams. I really don't see why I should say so. But let's talk to your brother-in-law first, and then find out some details. What is his name? So Patel Babu, certainly he is surprised that at this age, when he is over 50, when his hair is no more on his head, he has become bald, and at this stage and juncture, he is being offered a role in the film. So he is surprised, and out of surprise he is saying that why should I say no, but let me talk to your brother, let us talk to your brother and find out the details as to what is the role, something more in this regard. Naresh Dutt, he said he would be there around 10:30. So the neighbor, who is the Nishikanta Babu, he is saying that Naresh Dutt is the name who is looking for him, for giving him work, taking him to give roles, and he will be around 10:30. In the market, Patel Babu mixed up his wife's order and bought red chilies instead of onion seeds and quite forgot about the brinjals. That was not surprising. So when Patel Babu went to market, whatever orders or request, what we call, whatever list was there prepared by his wife, at the time of buying, he became confused, and he, instead of buying onion seeds, he bought a red chilies, and he was asked to bring and buy brinjals. That Patel Babu also forgot. So in that way he is saying that he bought the things, he bought the articles, but it was not proper articles as required by the household family or by his wife, requested by his wife or ordered by his wife. And that was not surprising. That was not surprising means that every time it was happening with Patel Babu, that whatever his wife requested him or ordered him to bring and buy, he used to get confused and used to buy something different. So in this video we have started the lesson, that is lesson number 4, Patel Babu film star, written by Satyajit Ray. So in the next video we will deal with further. So till then, thank you.